recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the experiment...
Alright, ladies, are you excited? Are you ready to win? We're gonna win this shit, bro. We are gonna win. Motherfucker, bro.
Sonny? I thought you were dead.
Are they really gone?
Oh, a shortcut?
We just made a circle.
Shit. Stay quiet.
No. No. I'm right there. Come on, bro. No. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. 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 Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Too easy. This is too easy. Yeah, Leatherface, Leatherface. Mis familia, ¿cómo se llama? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Tú bien y tú? Sí, sí, oui. Motherfucker.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah! Oh! What's up, grandfather? Yeah, let me give you some of this blood. Yeah, drink it up. Drink that bitch up. Delicious. My pretties, you are so pretty. And I will come after you to fuck you in your asshole. Cause you are pretty, yes you're pretty. And I might possibly wear your face. Hello? No fucking way. Hey! Get that motherfucker. Get the— oh, hell no. She fucking ran out of the fucking window. Ain't no fucking way. Hey, get your bitch ass back over here, motherfucker. Hey, 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 I see you. Fuck! Stick this in your fucking ass. Yeah! Oh, it's so deep inside of her, bro. Oh! Oh, Leland, did you see that shit, bro? Did you see that shit, bro? No fucking way someone's already up here already. Ain't no fucking way. Ain't no fucking way.
If Grandpa was able, this would be over by now. I better go feed him.
Fuck Grandpa, I'm not gonna feed his old ass bitch. Hey! Hey, what the fuck? Get your bitch ass back over here, motherfucker. Why did you stop? Go! I wanna fuck her in the butt.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Come here. Come here. Give daddy a kiss, bro. Yeah! One, take two, take three. Oh yeah, she was on her knees for that shit, bro. She was on her knees. Hello, my pretty. Hello, my pretty. He's over there. Turn right, turn right. Fuck, he's— yeah, keep going. Hello! Get your bitch ass back over here. Not because you're black, because I'm fucking horny. What the fuck? Who's out here? I heard that shit. Oh. What is he doing? That was funny. Bro, we're like right next to fucking Leatherface. That shit's crazy. But damn, I got at that fine, juicy, thick ass, bro. Yeah, we got some fat ass motherfuckers. Anyone got a mic? Hello? Can we make this, you know, interesting? Not make it lame? Alright, fuck the Mexican, I get it. They're right outside the door. Ah! Oh my god, wait! Never mind, they're not outside the door.